Okay, ndewonu. Kama mara ndị nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ a tata. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru? Achọrọ m ịma ndị nọ ebe a tata. Kedu onye ma ihe m kwuru? Jacob, gịnị ka m kwuru? Jacob, gịnị bụ? Achọrọ m ịma ndị nọ. Huh? Jacob? I muted everybody, so you're supposed to unmute yourself and answer the question. Gịnị bụ achọrọ m ịma ndị nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ tata? Kedu onye ma ya? Oh, today is 12, not 6 February. Kedu onye ma ihe bụ achọrọ m ịma? Gịnị bụ achọrọ m ịma?
You want to find out who is in class today?
Good. Achọrọ m ịma ndị nọ na class tata. Daalụ onye kachi. Okay, so kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu means spell the word for us. When I say kpọpụtara m, gịnị ka m kwuru? Onye ma ya kwuo, gịnị ka m kwuru? Kpọpụtara m. Kpọpụtara m means to spell. Okay, Akuna, okay, I already said it, sorry about that. Kpọpụtara m means spell. So tata means today. Anyị ga-amụ etu esi akpọpụta mana tupu anyị ebido ya, tupu, gịnị wu tupu? Gịnị bụ tupu?
Before.
Daalụ. Before. Tupu anyị ebido, before we start doing that. Tupu anyị ebido. So, o nwere ahịrịokwu. Anyị ga-emegodu mkpọpụta okwu. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Oh. The other one is should be. This one should have a dot on top. Let's now let's go this one. Kedu onye ga-agwa ya etu esi akpọ KP? You know it, weli aka gị elu. Kedu onye ma etu esi akpọpụta KP? Onye kachi ngwa? Kwuo ya ọzọ. Kpe. Ya, ọ kpọtara ya. Daalụ. Kedu onye ga-akpọrọ anyị KW? Okay, Emeka. Emeka ngwanụ.
Kwe.
Kwuo ya ọzọ, Emeka. Kpọọ ya ọzọ.
Kwe.
Kwe. Emeka kwuo kwe. Emeka kwuo kwe.
Kwe.
Is Emeka in this class? Emeka kwe.
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 There you go. Kedu onye ma NY? Kamsi.
Nye.
Nye, daalụ. Ka onye ga-akpọrọ anyị NW? Kedu onye ma NW? Akonna.
Nwe.
Ọzọ?
Nwe.
Nwe, there you go. Ka onye makwanụ GB? Kedu onye Jacob GB?
Nwe.
Kwụsie okwu ike, Jacob. Kwụsie okwu ike means speak up, speak loud.
Nwe.
Ọzọ, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Bwe.
Kedu onye ga-akpọ ya ofuma? Kedu onye ga-akpọ ya ofuma? Kedu onye ma GB etu esi akpọ ya?
Gbe.
Ọzọ kwuo ya ọzọ.
Gbe.
Gbe. Okay. Daalụ. O nwere onye ọzọ ịkpọpụta okwu na-ara ahụ alphabet? Kedu onye chọrọ onwe alphabet, the letter that you're struggling to pronounce? I need you to say it now. If you know you're struggling to pronounce any of the letters, you need to let me know. Chiamaka.
I struggle with the ones with like an accent underneath. You like
mean like you?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. The U, okay. The U without a dot. How do you pronounce it? It goes oo,
Ooh.
oo. The one with a dot underneath is O. O. Can you sound that, Chiamaka?
Ooh.
And then the one without a dot is what?
Ooh.
Huh?
Ooh.
Okay, the one with a dot is what?
Ooh.
No, both of them cannot be oo, oo. The one with a dot is O. The one without a dot, oo. So I want everybody to make sure you can pronounce it. The one with a dot is O. The one without a dot, oo. Now the O with a dot, O. The O with a dot is O.
Oh.
Oh, you see the shape of my mouth. That's why I try to get it up. The O with a dot, O.
Oh.
The one without a dot, O.
Ooh.
O. Now,
Ooh.
when you're pronouncing this, if you don't shape your mouth well, you won't get it. So, the dot is called marble. Ntopo. The dot is marble. Ntopo.
Marble.
So this dot means bum. We're going to learn those accents. So but right now, bum. Kedu onye na-enye anyị nsogbu ahụ?
Marble.
So bum.
Bum.
Or you can say ntopo.
Untopo.
Ntopo.
Untopo.
Yes. So that's what you call that. But those maths, we are going to learn them, but not now. So the O with ntopo. O nwere something with is nwere. O with a dot is O. O without a dot. O. U without a dot. U. 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 The U with a dot. O. So you see the sound and even the shape of your mouth and your jaw will change. Because tell your dad to move away from there. Tell your father that we are in the class. Can he move away from you? Because, all right, I do not want to silence everybody because this is intermediate class. It's an interaction class. This is not baby class. This is not beginner class, okay? So we all need to grow up here. All right. Now, the N with a dot on top or hyphen is ngo. Ngo. Can everybody sound that? Ngo. Ngo. Yes, not ne. It's ngo. But I will record the alphabet and send. Okay? I can record here, send their own. Aga m
Email.
etinye olu m die etu esi akpọpụta ya, then zitere ya unu. If you are not on WhatsApp, you need to upload WhatsApp because that's the only way I can record and send to you. If you send it through email, it's too large to be sent. Won't even go through text message, so you have to be on WhatsApp. All right, so now we're going to move forward. Kwụsie ike means speak up or speak loud. Okay. Now, today, wotata ihe anyị nwere wụ ịkpọpụta ahịrị okwu. Ịkpọpụta ahịrị okwu. Ịkpọ. Please, that person is still, who is that person, please? Who is the person? If you know you're the one we are hearing this background noise, who are you? Let me know. Maybe you need to move away from there. We don't want any disruption in this class. All right. Ịkpọpụta ahịrịokwu is spelling, okay? Now, so we are doing spelling today. All right, so efere maọbụ afere. Kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu efere? Onye kachi ngwa gbalịa. Gbalịa means try. Try.
Efere.
Gbalịa, try. Onye kachi ngwa kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu efere.
Oh, wait.
How do you spell it? I didn't say pronounce.
It's right there. Efere. E-F-E-R-E.
Ebuka. I like that. Okay. Ebuka ngwa.
Efere.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is the in Igbo, the way to spell Igbo letters are different. Igbo words different from the way you can spell English words. Okay? So yeah, Ebuka with that. Ebuka F-E-R-E-A. Efere. Now pay attention. If you are doing a contest, any contest, and you finish spelling and you do just the same way you spell it in English.
Okay.
How you're going to spell in Igbo. You finish spelling, you also pronounce the word. Okay? So F-E-R-E-A. Efere. And that's why it is important that you have to know the alphabets. Yes, if you don't know the alphabets, you're going to struggle. You have to know how to pronounce those letters in Igbo, not in English. So I will post it. I will repost the Igbo alphabet and then the pronunciation. I'm going to make a new pronunciation again and send. So please go back, learn the letters. You know the letters, pronouncing Igbo word will not be a problem. Okay, so E-F-E-R-E-A. Efere. Now, onye kacha achọrọ m ka kpọpụtara anyị afere nke ugbu a wụ gị efere. Ngwa, achọrọ m ka ịgbalịa. Just try.
A-F-E-R-E-A. Afere.
There you go. There you go, darling. Good job. Kamsi, kpọpụtara anyị aka.
Aka.
Daalụ Kamsi. Anya. Chiamaka. Anya. Chiamaka. Anya.
Anya bụ anya.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Anya.
No, you o nwere ihe ị na-akpọtaghị ofuma. The NY. That's why you should learn to pronounce that alphabet. Remember, they're supposed to be together. So you have to pronounce two of them. Ebalere, you tried. Whenever I say ebalere, so I need you to start picking words because when I keep repeating, I'm trying to help you know what it is. Very soon I won't be saying them in English because I know you should know it. So ebalere means you tried. Ebalere. You, E is you. Don't forget your pronouns. You have to carry over now. Do not forget your pronouns because we are going to be conjugating, using those letters, using those words, combining them. We are going to repeat the verb and adverb again because we're going to conjugate. All right, so do not forget what you did when you were in the beginner class. You will have to be carrying over now, putting some stuff, making it complicated, helping you to learn, okay? You tried means ebalere. I have not forgotten, we are going to go back to what we did last week because remember I told you to learn all of them. Today you have to be able to do them. Ebalere. Eba. Now, when you are trying to write Igbo word, slow down. Don't forget I said every letter must come in. So you spell it E-ba. Don't forget GB is supposed to be together. E-ba. And that you had the letter E-ba, le, re. E-ba, le, re. So it's supposed to be I. So if you slow down and pronounce it, E-ba, le, re. So now, let me just try to put in syllables now. E, wa, le, re. If I say ebalele, then you will miss it. No, just say e, wa, le, re. Then if you, once you finish doing that, you can just rush it if you want to. Ebalere, ebalere, you tried. Ebalere.
Ibalere.
Lea. So if you look at this one,
Ebalere.
you see the first one, try. Wa, you had that GB and A. Wa, Lea, wa, Lea. Now, let me ask you a question. This punctuation here, the I, is it supposed to be one dot or are we supposed to have both up and down? Kedonya maya welia kelu. Welia, again welia kelu, by the way.
Raise your hand.
Okay, good. Okay, Chiamaka. Is it supposed to be one dot or two dots?
It's supposed to have a dot on the bottom.
Why? Why did you say that?
Because Ibali, E, the I is E. So if it has double, you put a dot.
Okay, so what is the other clue that I told you guys in the class when we did vowels? When we did the 8 vowels, what did I say? Gene kankuru. Gene kankuru.
I know there's an A, E. There's like different ones for different things.
No. Kadonye chetara, some of the clues, how to know whether you should put a dot on the O or U, I. So I said something, the clues that you should use. Okay. So kedu ihe ndị si n'ọwụ ihe ga-enyere gị aka? Ihe ga-enyere gị aka, what would help you? Ihe means what or something. So when I say gịnị ka m kwuru, what did I say? So this is another clue, even though she got it with the sound. So Chiamaka gwara anyị maka etu ụda ume, sound is ụda ume. Okay? All right. Sound means order. Ume,
Udaume.
order ume is the
Udaume.
sound. Chiamaka jiri.
Ụda ume.
Da ume were ekute ya. Meaning Chiamaka used the sound to tell us that we should have a dot up and down. But this is another clue. Remember, we have 8 vowels. Guys, I'm gonna be going back here now. Okay. So we have 2 groups of vowels. First of all, kedu onye ga-agwa anyị the A group of vowels and E group of vowels? We have A and we have E. See, this thing is taking me out of where I'm not supposed to be going to now, but we need it. So the 2 group of vowels. So nobody's talking. Hey, the 2 group of, okay, no more writing it because you guys are no longer in the beginner.
Oh, we are engaged.
Kedu onye ga-agwa m the A group of vowels?
A, E, O,
A,
E,
what?
E,
Okay, what? I think
like the I with the dot
now,
underneath.
look at it here. A group, okay? We have A, O, O. Now, this is what I said. One other clues to let you know. You see, whenever you see any of these in the word, now this is a clue. The clue here, what was it again? What was it that I said? What was my question again? Okay, Walea. You see,
Your
Walea.
question was, how do you know if
How
you
do you
should
know if it's going to have a dot up and down? Now, because we have A, this one, we have another A. If A begins the word, or because there should not be E here. If you can't mix the vowels. So this A here is a clue. You see that? The A there is a clue. Now, look at this one. Kwụsịa okwu ike. How do you know if there should be a dot on the U or underneath the I?
Because of the A in the word.
There you go. That's one clue. But where there is no, okay, now I'll give you another word. If you have nkuzi, how do you know? There's no clue. There's no E. There's no A. How do you know if there should be dot under the U and dot under the I?
Because of the way that the letters sound, the vowels sound.
Or
Can you say the word? No, the word, the sound is the only thing that will help you because there's no A, no E. So how do you pronounce it, Akona? Mopotaya.
Nkuzi.
Nkuzi. Now, listening to that, kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ma ọ ga-enwe ntụpọ n'okpuru U ma ọ ga-enwe ntụpọ n'okpuru I? Sound the word. If you sound the word, if you know how you sound, the 2 U's, oo and O. So what did you hear? Did you hear oo or did you hear O?
Nkuzi.
Nkuzi.
So what sound did you hear? Nkuzi. Or you had oo?
Yes.
I didn't say nkuzi. I said nkuzi.
Oh wow.
I didn't say nkuzi. If you hear nku, I know sometimes due to dialect, some people will say nkuzi. So, okay. Now listen again. Nkuzi. What did you hear?
O.
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 Some of you are
O.
saying O, some of you are saying E.
O.
Good.
Okay, listen again.
O.
Nkuzi.
U.
Yes.
Ooh.
That's the sound.
So it's
Yes.
a
I said
U without a dot.
nkuzi, which is without a dot.
Mhm.
But if I say nkuzi, nku, o, so it's supposed to be nkuzi. There should be no dot.
Mm.
Yes, there should be no dot. Because if you do, if you itinye ntụpọ n'okpuru yo, ị ga-etinyekwa ntụpọ n'okpuru I. Gịnị ka m kwuru? Itinye ntụpọ n'okpuru U, ị ga-etinyekwa ntụpọ n'okpuru E. What did I say?
If you put the dot under the U, you put it under the
Put
I.
that in the eye.
There you go. So you cannot put it in one and not the other. So you didn't hear O. What you had is U, nkuzi, nku, U,
Nkuzi.
nku.
Nkuzi.
You didn't nkuzi. The other I with a double dot up and down is deeper than the other one. So when I post the alphabet, please go over. But now you have some, now order, which is sound, order. Ume,
Order,
are
yeah.
we supposed to have a dot under this U?
No.
Order.
Why do you say no?
From the sound. Order.
Okay, then you forgot the other clue. You
Wait,
forgot
The A
the
is
other
void.
clue.
Hey.
Hey, you
So it has to be
see?
with a dot.
There you go. So it should have a dot.
Yeah.
Even if you didn't get it. So this A will help you. But without this A, then you go with the sound. Oh, order. I didn't say ooh. I said order. So the sound is there, but you didn't pay attention. Order. I didn't say order. I said oh, da. Now, ume. Are we
Ume.
supposed to have a dot on that?
Mba.
Gini
Mba.
kichi sembe ebuka?
E.
Yeah, I'm on.
There's the E.
Yes.
No, guys. I'm asking Ebuka. Ebuka was the one that answered.
Oh.
Because there's the E there.
Okay, but
And also it sounded
how
like
about the
ume.
sound?
Yeah, it sounded like ooh. Ooh.
Ume. You see?
Yeah.
Ume. There you go.
Ume.
So you
Okay.
all pay attention. And then I will also see if I will record the vowels as well to help you guys out. Okay, so we are moving on. I'm not going to dwell on this. Let's finish up our spelling. Anya is a, nye, a. Because in the alphabet, the NY is pronounced as nye,
Yeah.
nye. But because we are trying to spell a, nye, a, anya. Now, okute, dozie neighbor. Dozie or no? Eba.
I'm here, Auntie. I'm here.
How do you say
my
I'm
mic
here?
is messed up.
No English. No English.
Anum Eba.
Aha, dalo. Ngwa.
My mic was messing up.
It's okay. It's okay. Ngwa, gwa anyị etu esi akpọpụta okwute, meaning spell it in Igbo.
Okute. O. Kwe. U. Te. E.
Okay, now you have to follow the way you're supposed to, the style of spelling, okay? Now listen, when we say efere, we said e, fi, e, re, e, efere. When we say anya, we say a, nye, a, anya. Okay, so now follow that style, that way of spelling in Igbo. So, okwute, ngwa kwuo kwa ya ọzọ. Dozie gị nwa.
Okwe. Wait, okay. Okwe. U. Te. E.
Now, if you say o, kwe, u, you cannot, don't forget, you can't mix vowels.
Okay.
Remember, you cannot mix vowels because if the letter that starts Okute is O, and then you came to the U, you say U, it doesn't rhyme. Okay? Now, who will try? Kedu onye ga-agbalị nụ? Kedu onye ga-agbalị means who will try? Everybody's
Wait,
just...
Auntie,
Uh-huh.
Auntie, and with it, Juju. So you said you, right? You said that. Can you repeat what you said again about the you?
Okay, remember when you were spelling, you say O, then they started the first letter with O, and then the U, you pronounce it U, which means these are two different vowels. The other vowel is from E, the other vowel is from A. So you can't do that. You can't mix vowels. If you have the vowel, if you pronounce the other one O, the other U will be O, which means to have them in one group of vowel, in one family. You can't divide them. Did you get what I said, Dozie?
Yeah.
So remember, we have two groups of vowels. We have A group and E group. And everything A group of vowel, they are all punctuated, except the A. Everything E group of vowels, not punctuated. You see what I'm saying? So we have A, O, and A. And then E group of vowels, we have E, O, U, and E. You see that? That's what we have. Nothing is, so only I is dotted on top, but not underneath. But in A group of vowels, every one of them except A is not punctuated. But O, and A, they are all dotted underneath. So in this case, number 4, you're trying to spell Okute. You started with O. Then if you're going to have that O, which means the U also should be dotted. But when you say U, U is not dotted, so it's wrong. Did everybody get it now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, ngwa. Onye kachi gị ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu. Okute. Just gbalịa.
Okay. Okute. O, kwe, u, te, e, okute.
Kwuokwa ya ọzọ, kwuokwa ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ, ị kpọtara ya, achọrọ ka ị kwuo ya ọzọ.
Okute. O, kwe, u, te, e, okute.
Yes, ị kpọtara ya, daalụ m, bet gekwa ntị na see the difference, okay? O, kwi, u, ti, e, okute. Do you see the difference?
Yeah.
From O, kwi, u, ti, e. You got it. Wonderful. But learn the format, okay? O, kwi, u, ti, e, okute. Now, why did you go with O, U? Why? Why is it that
The sound, the sound of the sound.
And then what is the other clue?
Well, the E at the end.
Good. So that's another clue. That's good. All right. Uchenna. Ngwa kpọpụtara anyị asụsụ. I don't know why I put those dots. I'm supposed to leave. I didn't want to put it because I wanted you guys to be the one doing it, but it's okay. Uchenna n'ebe a. Ngwa kpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu asụsụ.
Asụsụ bụ A, C, O, C, O. Asụsụ.
Daalụ Uchenna, daalụ. That's good. A, C, O, C, O. Asụsụ. You see that? Good. Ikenna, azịza.
Azịza bụ A, Z, E, Z, A. Azịza.
No, No. You see what I put there? I didn't say Aziza. I say Aziza.
Oh.
Aziza. Kedonya manya wa Aziza. You see it. I want you guys to see where Ikenna missed it. Ikenna got the spelling, but he missed the sound, the pronunciation. And in that case, if you're doing a spelling contest, then you get a half point. You're not getting a full point because you got the spelling, but you missed the pronunciation. So he told, and it's a total different thing. Aziza and the Aziza, these are two. Okay, this when it comes to the same word, different sound and different meaning. This is what it is. Aziza, Aziza. Gini wa Aziza?
Aziza will answer.
Yes, it's when you're doing question and answer. Aziza, you see that? Aziza, it's like who is going to answer it? Aziza is answering, okay? Aziza is answering, which is answer, okay? So, kedu ezra ya Ebuka? Ko dozie. Kedu ezra ya? Kedu ezra ya? Kedu esim no answer?
Oh, Ebuka. Almost.
Ebuka, okay, daalụ. So, azịza wụ answer. So, Ikenna, ngwa, kpọpụtakwara na ahịrịokwu azịza ọzọ.
Azịza bụ A, Z, E, za, Z, A.
Wow. Where are you going now? You got it before. What's going on? Azịza. Ngwa, kpọpụtakwa ya ọzọ.
A, Z, E, Z, A. Azịza.
Daalụ. There you go. Now, Emeka, kpọpụtara anyị azị. Wo. Azịza ka ị zara. Emeka, kpọpụtara anyị azịza.
Aziza bụ A, Z, E, Z, A. Aziza.
Dalo. So do you guys see the different sounds? And they all mean different things. Even though it is the same word, they mean different things. They are not the same. Okay? Kam chonye ga-akpọpụtara anyị onyinye. Ka onye nna ajụbeghị ajụjụ here. Jacob, kpọpụtara anyị onyinye.
Onyinye. O, ni, I, nye, e. Onyinye.
Dalo, Jacob. Yeah. Onyi, inyi, e. Onyinye. But I need you to follow this format. That's how you do it. That's the intonation you're supposed to use. O, ni. And why is it? Okay, are we going to put dot underneath I and dot on top of N or O? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ma kwesịrị itinye ya?
Mba.
Kwesịrị itinye ya?
Mba.
Kedu ihe iji sị mba Chiamaka?
The E at the end.
The E at the end. Good. Onyinye. Okay. Ụkwụ. Anyị nwere ụkwụ. Anyị nwere ukwu. So, let me see. Onye kacha ebe ọwụ gị meganya. Onye kacha gwa anyị etu esi gbapụtara anyị ahịrịokwu ụkwụ.
U, kwe, u.
Okay. Ebuka gbalịa.
Okwo, o, kwe, o, okwo.
Gbuo ya ọzọ. Use the intonation.
Okwo, o, kwe, o, okwo.
O, kwe, o, okwo. You got it, but I want you to use that style of spelling it, okay? O, kwe, o, oko.
O, kwe, o, oko.
Daalụ.
O, kwe, o, oko.
Onye kacha ibidoro with u, but ị hụrụ na enwere dot underneath. Why do you have to start with u? Oko. Na, kedu onye ga-akpọpụtara anyị ahịrịokwu? Ukwu. Ukwu o kwesịrị inwe ntụpọ n'okpuru ya?
Ukwe, ukwu.
Onye kacha ngwa o kwesịrị inwe ntụpọ n'okpuru ya? Onye kacha ukwu. Is your words?
Yeah.
O kwesịrị inwe ntụpọ n'okpuru ya? Mbụ yo?
No.
Eleghị iji sị mba.
The sound.
Okay, ngwa kpọpụtakwara anyị ọzọ. Spell it again.
Ukwe, uku.
Uku. Okay, so we are supposed to remove all this ntụpọ n'okpuru ya. Okay, so ihe dị iche na ha abụọ ntụpọ n'okpuru ha abụọ and the sound. Ụkwụ, ukwu. Amarachi ọ n'ebe ahụ? Amarachi Ọhaya. Nkuzi, teaching. Na Amarachi Ọhaya ọ n'ebe ahụ? O nwere ndị na-abịa. Okay, ihe a ndị chọrọ ịbanye the other class. Amarachi is not there. Okay. O nwere onye na-ajụ gị ajụjụ na klaasị a tata? Ọ bụ na m akpọ aha gị, biko gwa m. O nwere onye na-ajụ gị ajụjụ? Okay. O nwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
Yes.
Anyị enweghị ohere mee ihe anyị mere n'izu gara aga, but next week we should get time to get to it. Right now we have 3 more minutes left for me to get in the beginner class. Okay, gịnị nwa
Afambo comes Yochku Obi. Na enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, ngwa jụ na ajụjụ.
What is Actually, I have 2 questions. First of all, what is I am scared?
How do you say what is in Igbo?
In Igbo.
There you go. You should be using it. I am scared. Egwu na atum. Egwu is being scared, okay? Egwu na atum, okay? Something that is scary is egwu, okay? Egwu na atum. And this is how you put it. Egwu. Egwu na atum.
Egwu na atum.
Egwu na atum. I am scared. Okay, so we are going to do it. Get back to me. You get back to me through questions, okay? Because I have to get to another class. But onye kachi nwere ajụjụ kwa ya? Trying to log in, I have to get them in.
Okay.
Okay, Onyekachi and Kamsi, send me a test, okay? I'll get back to you guys and I will respond to you in the forum. If I know I have not added you to the forum, to the intermediate class, please send me a note and then I add you. Let me get to the other class. I'll finish this note later and then I'll post it to you guys, okay? Okay? Cardinal.
Cardio.